Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are in Egypt now. I'm staying in the hotel where I'm supposed to sleep tonight. So let me just give you a tour of the hotel room, because I know tomorrow morning, because I came here at the night time, so I could not be able to show you guys how the hotel look outside the hotel, but everything about the hotel. So I will do that tomorrow morning. If you are going to see this video, but this is gonna be the first batch of the video before you have to see the daylight tomorrow, when also the video will continue. So this is the bathroom inside the hotel room here. This is the bathroom. You can see you have your sink. You have all the shower gel, bath, shower gel, condition, and body lotion. You have your towel, which is there, and this is me. You have your glass, where if you want to do your whatever you want to do, you can see yourself there, whatever you want to do. That's what's gonna be on the hotel here. This is your bathroom here. You have your towel on top of there. This is your toilet, where you could go to toilet to keep yourself clean. You have the intercom here, and also all this is included with your booking Egypt Air. You know, when you're booking Egypt Air, you want to stop in Egypt for one night, they're gonna keep you for one night in Egypt. So you have a hotel room where you can stay. This is the bedroom, or what I call the hotel room, where you're going to spend the night with. You know, you have your TV here. This is actually the hotel room here. I don't know the outside hotel, because this is the outside hotel there. You know, I will show that tomorrow morning, because we're staying on the dance floor, which is the first floor of the hotel. That is where we're stopping. You know, so because we're going to stay here, we're gonna close this curtain, you know, to keep it a privacy. Because we're going to stay here, to keep the privacy, you know. So because we're staying on the dance floor here, and I don't know, you have your light switch here. I don't know how they switch it on. You got a light switch as well here. Let's see, you know. So this is your wardrobe there. You have a wardrobe there where you could you have a wardrobe there where you could be able to stay and do your stuff there. So this is basically where you can put all your stuff here. This is your wardrobe. You have your safe there. You have everything you can put here as well. This is where you can hang all your clothes if you choose to do that. You have a double bed also who come with it. You know, you can see how the bedroom look. You have a double bed who come with it. If you choose to stay, you can have somebody who sleep in one, then you can sleep in one, two people, or you can, sometimes they might give you a double place where you can stay. But I think the room is okay. The room is okay for you getting this free when you are staying in Egypt for one night. You know, you get this free, and the airline is making sure that probably you come back again and patronize them, because you're gonna get this free. I have already had something to eat. My stomach is completely blown out. Plenty of food. It's buffet. Eat as much as you can. You go and choose your own food and eat whatever you want to eat. You have a very nice mirror there where you can look at yourself in the morning and see how you look before you leave. It's a quite nice hotel. I wouldn't lie to you, it's a quite nice hotel. Everything here is working well. Things are really taking care of this airline. They make sure you you become very good and come back again to spend time with them. Thank you so much. If you are going to watch this video, please guys, like the video and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. This is my room tour in Egypt, and I forgot the name of this hotel, and by tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys around the hotel. This is the name of the hotel here. This is the name of the hotel there. So I'm gonna show you guys outside the hotel, or outside the Egypt, Cairo, outside Cairo, when we are leaving this hotel going towards the airport. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit how outside the Cairo look before we go to the hotel. You know, that's what we're going to do. You can have your cup, you see, you get a cup of where you can have a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, whatever you choose to have. You have 2 bottles of water they left in your room. You have where you can scan your code, whatever you need. So guys, I'm gonna go and chill down there now a little bit. See you guys tomorrow for next video, and I will show you guys what is really going on in this area. Thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you.